And then what is one practice you would say, Linda, contributes to your personal success?
You know what? Learning to succeed through people, not around them. Because at some point, if you build this big enough, you can't handle it by yourself. And take people with you. There's plenty of room out there. Someone else doesn't have to lose for you to win, and you don't have to win for someone else to lose. So, take people with you. Bring along great people to either be a part of your success, to learn from your success, or to help you with your success. And so I would say at this point in my life, it's more about the minute you say the word how, don't fill in the answer. Ask yourself who could help me? Who could I find? Who could I help?